On today's episode of Saving with Christina, I'm going to talk with you about the best deals going on over at Walgreens for the week. I'll walk you through the deals that I did. I'll also talk with you about some other great grocery deals you might want to check out, as well as a cool promo code. I'm also going to show you how I put these deals together to use my spend $60, get $15 in Walgreens Cash digital booster. Normally I try to get this video out as early as possible on Sunday, so coming out on Monday is a little bit different, so thank you for your patience. I woke up on Sunday and I got an email from one of my followers, Sandra, who has emailed me before, but thank you for that sweet email, because in there she said that she shares the deals and the information that I provide with some of the people she works with who are on TANF, which is Temporary Aid to Needy Families. And that just gave me the motivation I needed to really focus and try to find deals for people, because my goal, my mission, my hope is that I can really help people save money and spend their money wisely. So that really meant a lot to me. So thank you for sharing that with me. And it truly gave me the motivation I needed to get shopping that morning. And then I ended up picking up everything late in the afternoon and getting it all put together for you guys. So let's start. I'm going to tell you I did all of these as curbside deals. Every single one of them. I didn't purchase anything in store. I did everything as curbside because most of this was part of that spend 60, get 15. The ad wasn't incredibly exciting this week, but clearly I still found some amazing deals. I want to say I got all of this for just over $5. So not a bad week when you think about it that way. I did not do any register reward deals at all. So if you're looking for register reward deals, you're not going to find them in this video because I just did not do any. The deals weren't good enough for me to do any. So let me walk you through each of the deals individually, then I'll show you how I put it together. So the first one I picked up was this Bic Soleil razor. It's $4.71. There is a $4 digital coupon. Now, if we are ordering this curbside, we can use promo codes. So there's a promo code WAG10, WAG10. That took off an additional 7 cents. Not a lot, but I'll take it, making my final cost just 64 cents. Now, the toilet paper, not a bad deal. This is normally when I pick it up at Walgreens. They're $5 as normal, but there's a $1.25 digital store coupon that's applying to it. So you should be able to buy as many as you want, and that $1.25 should apply every single time. I only picked up one, so I paid $3.75 for this package of toilet paper. Now, there is a promo code, and I'm going to pop it up here on the screen to get a free 5x7 folded card. I believe it's card-deal, but I don't trust my memory, so I'm going to pop it up here on the screen when I verify it as I'm editing the video. And that's good through the 27th, so tomorrow. And it's my mom's birthday, so happy birthday, Mom. I know that you watched my video, so happy birthday. We enjoyed dinner with you this weekend. Let's talk about another super easy deal anyone can do. $1.99 laundry detergent. You don't need any coupons. You could pick up the liquid. You could do the pods, or even the scent boosters. They're all $1.99. Not a bad price at all. Of course, you could use your Walgreens Cash to pay, or your register rewards to pay if you wanted to. Now, the Icy Hot. This one isn't free, but I figured if you need it, I'm going to show you that I found a decent deal on it. This one's $7.29. There's a $3 store digital. There's a $3 manufacturer digital that will stack together, so that's $6 in coupons. Then using that code WAG10 will take 13 cents off, leaving your final cost to be $1.16. So that 10% code, it's 10% after the coupons come off. So it's $7.29. Then we have $6 in coupons. That takes us down to $1.29. So 10% off is just 13 cents. That's how we get to the $1.16 price. There is an Ibotta offer on the Icy Hot, but it doesn't apply to that one, which is why I'm not talking about it in relation to that. Another great deal on Revlon. So these little jumpy things are on promotion. Buy one, get one 50% off. So when you purchase two, your price is going to be $8.23. I had an $8 digital coupon, which made it just 23 cents for both of them, or 11 cents each. Not a bad deal, especially if you're starting to look for stocking stuffers for Christmas. This is the one I get, the tropical coconut, because there's no tint to it, and I just like it. I've never really worn lipstick. That's not really a thing for me. The BioTrue. So this was a good deal if you need this type of multi-purpose solution. So I picked up this one at $15.99. And then I picked up the Renew at $4.49 because it's buy one, get one half off. So the $15.99, then the $4.49 is what this one's going to ring. Now the $15.99 one had two digital coupons. It had a $5 store digital and a $6 manufacturer digital. Okay, so $11 in coupons. Now this one right here, it becomes half off, but there's a $3 digital as well as a store digital that's going to automatically adjust down because it's going to make this completely free. So that store digital adjusts down to $1.49. I also used the code WAG10 that took another 50 cents off. So I got both of these products for $4.49 for all three, because there's two in here, or $1.50 per bottle. Not a bad price if this is something you need, because this one is originally $15.99. So I thought I would mention it. But as you know, I was working towards my spend 60, get 15. So that helped me get there. Another one that was kind of expensive that helped me get to that spend 60 is this Poise Ultra Thin with Wings. Now, I was looking at these because there's an Ibotta offer, there's a Fetch Rewards offer, there's a Shopkick offer. So this is how this worked out. The Poise was $16.99. That was the regular price, no coupons for me on the Walgreens site. But that WAG10 code took off $1.70. So I paid $15.29. Holy cow, $15 for a product that I don't need. Crazy. But I got back $4 on Ibotta. I got back another $1 on Ibotta for buying it at Walgreens. That was a bonus. I got back $3 on the Shopkick app and $2 on Fetch Rewards, making my final cost $5.29. But of course I didn't pay that because I used it as part of this spend 60, get 15, which I'll tell you about here in a minute. Still, $5.29 probably isn't a bad price if that's a product that you need and use. L'Oreal. Let's talk about L'Oreal because this is an Ibotta deal too. These are buy one, get one 50% off. I picked up the Color Rich Matte Lip Liners. They are $8.99 each, but buy one, get one half off. So $8.99 plus $4.49. I had a $9 digital coupon. I had a $2 store digital, and it was taking off $2 for each, but because of that, buy one, get one 50% off, it auto-adjusted down to $3.49. The WAG10 code took off another 9 cents, so my total to pay was 90 cents. But then I got back $2 for each of them on Ibotta, making it a $3.10 moneymaker. So, will I use these? Probably not. I'll probably give them to someone. But I made $3 that helped pay for things that I would use. So, great deal on the L'Oreal lip. Now, this one popped up this morning, and thank you to GME Coupons over on Instagram for the heads up on this number 7 deal. This water concentrate is $11.99. But there's a $10 digital coupon. Well, when I went over to the site to pick it up, I realized that the number 7 products are buy one, get one 40% off. So I picked up this one at $11.99 with that $10 digital. Then I picked up the cleansing water. That one's gonna ring up $3.77. That's the 40% off price. But there was a $2 digital for that. So that's going to make it $1.77. Plus the WAG10 code came off, taking 38 cents off, making my final cost $3.38 for both, or $1.69 each. Again, not a bad price if those are products that you use. The Fruit Loops. Fruit Loops are buy one, get one free. There's a $1 digital coupon. For some reason, when I do this in store, if I have a buy one, get one free deal with a digital coupon, it doesn't work for me. But Curbside, it did. So $4.29 buy one, get one free. $1 digital coupon that made it $3.29 for both, or $1.64 each. Now, y'all know I went through Rakuten to get an additional 2% cash back. So if you happen to be brand new to Rakuten, I'm going to tell you about an amazing moneymaker deal, because when you spend $30 out of pocket, you get $30 back when you use my link below. So let me tell you how I put this all together. I purchased everything I just talked about with the exception of these, because I grabbed these this morning. So everything you see here, my total before all of my coupons was $82.46. Now, I have to be at that spend amount, the $60, after all the store coupons and promo codes come off. Not the manufacturer ones, just the store ones. So after those coupons and promo code, I was at $65.74. So was I at 60? Yes, I was at $65.74. Now, after all the manufacturer coupons came off, I was at $31.74. So I paid $31.74, and I did pay that with my card. I did it curbside, so I paid with a card. I got back $15 for spending, $30. I got back the $4 on Ibotta for the L'Oreal. I got back $4 on Ibotta for the Poise, another $1 on Ibotta for the Poise, $3 on Shopkick for the Poise, $2 on Fetch Rewards for the Poise, making my final cost for everything $2.74. Now, if you're brand new to Rakuten, you go through my link, you do this exact same thing, you're going to get an additional $30 back. So that makes it like a $27 and something moneymaker, which is incredible. Now, a couple of things I want to tell you. I did use the code GLAM20 because I had at least $40 in beauty products in my cart. But for some reason, when I had that GLAM20 and the WAG10 both in my cart, and they were both attaching, I could not get my order to go through. It was like, it said something like, you have an item in your cart less than $0. So I removed the GLAM20 code, just used the WAG10 code, and everything went through just the way I said it did. So great deal. Couple other deals you want to know about. Community coffee, the bagged coffee. I didn't buy it because I don't use bagged coffee. It's $5.99, but there's a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making it just $3.99, which is a great deal. There are M&Ms that are 2 for $7. There's a $2.50 digital as well as $1 off 2 digital, making those bags of M&Ms an amazing deal. And you can use that WAG10 code on top of it. So that's what I purchased at Walgreens this week. Not a bad deal. So $2.74 for everything. And then this morning I picked these up at $3.38. So that's around $6 for all of these items. Not bad. I'm going to take it. And of course, I always submit my receipts to Fetch Rewards. And if you're brand new to Fetch, grab it using my referral code because you'll score an additional $2. But even better, there was a 100% freebie on some bread, and we all buy bread, right? So a great deal on bread, 100% back cash back in points, and then you can cash out to gift cards with Fetch Rewards, so definitely check that out as well. I think that's all I wanted to share. Now, I'm not doing CVS this week. I just don't have time. I have 2 articles that I need to write this week that are due by the end of the week. But check back in tomorrow because I'm planning to post my birthday freebies video that I did with my son. And so I'm going to get that edited today and get that out tomorrow for you guys. Stay tuned to the end of the video where I have pictures of items that I found on clearance. Thanks.